Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11X, and today I'll show you how you can change your wallpaper. You have to click and hold home screen, go for wallpaper in the left bottom corner, and from here you have to choose which one wallpaper you want to apply. So here you got the wallpaper that you can download, you got wallpapers pre-installed, you can go also for your gallery, so we can pick whatever you want. I'm going to pre-install it, and then I'm going to change it for this one. Click to apply. You can apply on the lock screen, home screen, or both of them. I'm going to change only home screen, and take a look. Our wallpaper has changed, and that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.